Hey guys, it's your girl Clar and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today. And this video is we are going to review trending sa TikTok, Mini Melly Full Coverage Creamy Foundation at kasama na itong Full Coverage Concealer. Both of them, I'll review it right now. Just keep on watching. I'm so sorry guys, please bear on my aura today because wala ako sa mood. And I have coughs and colds right now dahil because of what happened to sa Star City. Parang yung adrenaline ko while riding dun sa mga rides, tapos yung weather, ayun, sumabak na siya ngayon. And tomorrow I'm going to Okada, Manila, and I'm going to film some contents, and isa na tong content na i-film kong ito nagte-trending sa TikTok, tong Minimally Full Coverage Creamy Foundation and Concealer. So I bought this one is free, and then ito ay kasama sa product. So ito yung nakikita kong trending sa TikTok. So, sorry kung madumi na yung sponge kasi ginamit ko siya yesterday while I'm filming contents yesterday. So, I've got in the shade 02. So, this is what it looks like. Ayan, very fair. And it has a mirror in it. And let's see. Let's see kung kung gagana siya on my skin, kung talagang totoo yung cheese whiz. Okay. One swipe. Blend natin siya. One swipe. Ayan, takpan na lahat. Ayan, takatakip na lahat ng blemishes ko. Ayun, Ayan. Dito sa part na to, ayan, nakatakip na lahat ng blemishes ko as is. Paano pa kaya? So, try natin one side with this one. Actually, pagka swipe mo pa lang, naka-ano na siya, talaga yung product na mumuuna sa aking face. Paano kaya? Let's use a brush. Gamitin natin the favorite brush ko from Real Techniques. Let's see kung ano yung, kung ito gamitin natin pag dito, as you can see, nababalance niya yung foundation while applying it to my face. Ayan, nababalance niya. Maputi sa akin, oo, kasi napansin niyo very ayan, tapos yung product while blending, wow. Yung product while blending, wow, it impresses me a lot. So, kung napapansin nyo, sobrang puti sa akin ng shade. Talagang lighter shade, kinuha ko kasi na-oxidize ako in terms of, mabilis ma-oxidize sa akin ang mga base products on me. Tsaka look at my face, so, pag blend out mo yung buong product, ayan pag blend out mo yung buong product, ayan, nako-cover lahat ng chispas sa akin. Next product na gagamitin natin, of course, itong concealer nila. Ito yung Extraordinary Concealer. Talaga na nakita ko first time on the market. So, let's put some on my face. Ayan. Walang walang peach corrector. Ayan. Oh, let's blend it out. Using a brush. Okay. Okay. Yung concealer for me is blendable. Gusto ko yung blendable ng concealer nila. Ayan, blendable siya. Tsaka na-minimize yung puti ng foundation sa akin. It's very natural for me with this one. Fair yung natural lang sa akin, natatakpan lahat with this one. I think this will be the foundation and concealer that will change my final review with this one. Sobrang puti na lang mukha ko. This one, for 199 pesos, I could recommend this to everyone bunch of you. Nakuha ko lang shade is very white kasi is lighter na kasi pag base products, madali ako ma-oxidize in just one snap. So, maganda yung packaging niya. Pero, ang ayoko lang minsan sa sponge is yung nagaganon siya. Ayun o. Nagaganon siya. Hindi siya parang hindi na siya na Yun yung ayoko sa Prada. I like the sponge actually, but as but I wanted to use this on this kind of brush. Yung mga foundation brush with this one. Kasi, one swipe, tapos nabiblend agad-agad yung product on my skin. Concealer, it's easy to use. I'm definitely gonna use this in other days. Para na lang, kung iba yung base product ko na gamit, not this one, but ibang base product na gamit talaga all in one. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that I will see you again on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.